Investing your first $100 can feel daunting, but it's all about taking that first step. Choose one method that resonates with you, whether it's stocks, a high-yield savings account, or even a course to enhance your skills. Remember, investing isn't about luck. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be intimidating or expensive. With platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull, you can buy fractional shares of major companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla without needing a fortune. Imagine having just $100 to invest. Rather than putting it all into one stock, you can spread it across multiple companies or even invest in an ETF like the S&P 500. This index has a history of growth, giving you a chance to build wealth over time. It's all about smart investing, starting small, and watching your money work for you. So why wait? Dive into the world of fractional shares and ETFs today. Cryptocurrency is a wild ride, but the potential for growth is staggering. Imagine investing just $100 in Bitcoin years ago. Today, that could be worth thousands. It's not just about Bitcoin anymore. Ethereum is a powerhouse too. And then there are altcoins, which can offer incredible opportunities if you do your homework. Look for coins that solve real-world problems or have strong communities backing them. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. Diversify your investments and never put in more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed, stay curious, and invest wisely. Imagine taking just $100 and transforming it into a thriving online business. With platforms like Shopify or Etsy, the possibilities are endless. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks or online courses, or dive into print-on-demand merchandise where you design unique items without holding any inventory. If you prefer a hands-off approach, low-cost drop shipping allows you to sell products directly from suppliers, so you never have to touch the merchandise. The beauty of this model is that it can generate passive income while you focus on other things. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your investment grow as you tap into the booming world of e-commerce. Your journey to financial freedom could be just a click away. Investing in yourself is the smartest move you can make. Picture this. With just $100, you can dive into online courses that teach you high-income skills like copywriting, graphic design, or video editing. These aren't just hobbies, they're gateways to a lifetime of earnings. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera are goldmines for affordable, high-quality education. Imagine mastering a skill that not only boosts your resume, but also opens doors to freelance gigs or even a new career. The best part? You can learn at your own pace, fitting it into your schedule. So why wait? Start investing in yourself today and watch your potential soar. Imagine turning your spare cash into a source of income. With peer-to-peer lending, you can do just that. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club allow you to lend small amounts, think $25 or $100, to individuals or small businesses in need. You set the terms, and as they pay you back with interest, your money starts working for you. It's like being a mini bank. The returns can be impressive, often higher than traditional savings accounts. Plus, you get to diversify your investments by choosing who to lend to based on their credit ratings and goals. It's a win-win. You help someone achieve their dreams while building your own financial future. Why let your money sit idle when it could be earning for you? Hope you enjoyed the video and are ready to invest your money. Let me know in comments that which way do you like the most. You can ask any question about your finances.